It's about Rose Owele Amen using my and our human rights defenders and access to justice advocacy center to scam and defraud people. Yes, it's possible many people who think, oh, they are doing her a favor or they want to do it for me to feel pain or over what. No. They might still go ahead and donate, but I will tell you things you need to know about us. One, she don't have the right and the consent to ask for donation. Future will tell. The phrase I signed, the phrase BOT signed, the phrase chairman signed, how was it discussed and where is the agreement? That you now went ahead as single-handedly went ahead and started using the platform to defraud people. It's a criminal act. It's a criminal offense. As far as that organization is still standing, as far as that organization is still registered, it's a criminal offense. In this organization, it's not owned by Rose. Even me as a founder, it's not owned by me. Hence, if any donation must take place, including people coming to our office for you to ask for donation, there is a form we normally fill. We want to ask a donation for so-so person because of so-so condition or situation. Even though I'm not in Nigeria, they will forward it to me. I will sign and forward it back to them. They will print it out and attach it to the form. That is one. Two, we have money in our account. According to my rough estimate, we should not have less than 20 to 30 million in our account, one account. Yes. So by the time we wanted to buy a land, the land was not in a safe place, it wasn't developed even till now. So we find it dangerous to the children that will be harboring there as a rescue center / orphanage home. Hence, we couldn't purchase that land. I decided to buy that land with my personal money and my name only for pure water business, which I am yet to complete or develop. Then those who think, oh, not mind that man, you are not doing me favor. You are doing me favor. She will give account of every money she asks for. By law, if she's supposed to go in for it, if I press my button, she will go in for it. That woman is going to vomit 1 naira, except the ones that is otherwise. To 1 naira, if they are still using 1 kobo, she will vomit it. For even using that organization to ask for money at all, she will go in for it. And I will still try to see if something can be done here. With evidence, she will go in for it. And let's even, for instance, those gullible fans and friends of Rose, they actually donated. Don't you think you are donating to my organization? You don't like me, but it's my organization. She will give account of a cent. If I thought I approve it, that is my office. If she rent any office. She made a video to say she's asking for money. She also made the video to say, thank you, she have gotten the money. Then this is my office. And if she put another name in the office, it's a criminal act. Because she already made a video. She's asking for fund. She's also made a video yesterday to say, thank you, she have gotten the fund. Wise woman. So, you think you are helping her? No, you are not helping her. If I agreed, you are helping me. Even though I have office that worth how many million, if I come down to Nigeria tomorrow, I will take my chair, go to that office that she announced. I will sit down there and do what I want to do, and I will close when I want to close. Nothing say case don't start. Case of husband and wife is different thing. Case of anything we ever start or do together is a different case that will not even end in this world. She's smart. We have money in our various accounts. We have not less than 20 to 30 million in one of the accounts. We did not restrict that account or target to a particular thing. So if you are not defrauding people, because every opportunity that comes, Rose always take advantage of it, even when we have money on grant. So now she had problem with her personal office. She now took advantage and started using human rights to defraud people. Good and fine. That is, by the way. I want to thank you, because you may want to donate to say, no, mind that man, yeah, let us donate. May we show and say we love her. You are donating for me if I approve it. Whether I approve it or not, she will give account of it. How she made payment, the receipt given to her, and everything. Every damn thing in that office must be provided, and it belongs to Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocacy Center. Tomorrow, we might not be the one managing it. You that think you are doing me evil, your son might be the one managing it. So that office does not belong to her. And for making a request, donation via that office, she will still go in for it. Then let me tell you some of our secrets. It is possible that nobody has donated 1 naira. Listen and listen good. How we do it? When we ask for donation, even when nobody is donating at all, mostly when nobody is donating, Rose Ahmed will come outside to say thank you for people that have donated. They are donating. May God bless all of them. Go pray for them. So people who lose hope before say, we not go donate you. Maybe the one they begin cheat us. Those people will begin to donate. Then sometimes she will come out and say, it was 3 million. We ask, we have 2 million. Please, so sometimes she will mention the name when you not will ever find in this world. Say John Echibuike, thank you for your 500,000. Merci thank you for your $2 or $200 you sent from the US. John Boo, Alaska, we want to appreciate you for the chair when you send. That is why you see the praises bigger than our progress. You go see, we go announce, so now person send this one, person send motor, person send machine. Which day una don't see the machine? The only person who don't bring crowd from us. Crowd. The crowd say not let us use. Stupid crowd when the woman use, her own personal use, when don't they use that many years? If I tell you now, since I came from Nigeria less than a month, the crowd when I don't buy, don't reach to Ghana, must go on my own. Because I be done pack things go Nigeria. So you go see say upon how we they announce, so thank you. Hey, this one bring crowd, that one bring this, this and that. Nobody. Now only 2 women don't bring things. The third one now from Israel. Not be say bring crowd. He just bring all those spiritual things, church something. That one are personally directed to us. Nobody has ever given us anything reasonable in that office. But the trick is that when you ask for donation, you quickly they call name. Thank you, this one, thank you, that one. Today she not mention name. December, you remember I mentioned name December. December, she does one thing like this. Begin mention name. Thank you, so person, thank you, so person. Whom are you deceiving? You are deceiving yourself. So now here say yesterday now you don't come out. Thank you for people when they donate to will soon get office. Remember say the first office now your own. This one when you involve human right now not be your office now my office. So they are renting office for me. I already have one and we have second one. You think say quick case don't start? I go enter the office like this. I go do what I want to do even though I not get what I want to do. I will stay there. I will come out. I will go where they go. You as you mumu rich when you know they look future, you don't know anything. And people when they follow yourself, many does they push you, you know, they don't know anything. So nobody is donating. With the shame, you will go withdraw money now for our account. Because we have money, you wanted to take advantage of using the platform to donate, ask for donation again. Because I am behind you not to do it. You can even too fast, you say na next week. You can withdraw money today for their account today now. Agent full everywhere that will bring us. They don't need to buy things. People sell furniture or whatever they call it everywhere. The office will be ready. Except they need to do some painting work. It will not take 24, 44 hours now. But I am not in support. But if they do, it's my office. Not even lawyer that can advise her what to do, that she will not go in for it. We have the videos. You make a request. You say thank you, they have paid. In human rights account. That one has speed. You must give an account. That is setting. You cannot come again and say, sorry, oh, it's not true. I lied, though. I lied. I use my personal money. No. You are not smart. You cannot say, sorry, oh, it was money they sent to my account. Oh. Since we will make calculation of any office you rent, we will get the caretaker and the shop. We need their receipt. Every furniture you bought and everything, including paint, we will calculate them. At the end of the day, maybe enter 5 million. 30 years to come, Rose, you will give account of the 5 million. And it's my office. Now my office. So, enough of your criminal act. It's my office. So I cannot thank people now because I don't want to involve myself because I did not approve it. I cannot say thank you for donating to us. No, I did not approve it. We have our money. We have our money in that human right. Call name, now she be just a big call name. We will ask for donation to feed widows, to buy rice. No single person will bring donation money or rice. When we don't wait till time, don't they go? We say thank you, all those of you that have donated. We want for Canada, we want for UK, we want go for US, blah, Europe, and the other one, the $200 you sent. We've not been able to take it. Maybe by Monday, we'll go and withdraw it. Oh, nah, fake. Then you now see sometimes somebody like, okay, I'll give you one bag of rice. Because you want to belong to the winning group. Say, they are beginning to donate. I thought nobody is donating. I thought they are fraud, though. It's not true. She cannot remain there to tell people, say, I make a video to counter it. That is why she not feel rent office. Instead, she will withdraw from human rights office and say, thank you, everybody, but let it be true. Is it not my office? It's my office. Not our office. It's my office. If you like rent 100 offices in Nigeria, come abroad, rent them. It remain my organization and my office. You know why the case not the tough yet? They hide. You are into hiding. You say, make I come abroad, come sign for you. At the time I vex, I say I want sign. You greet or come again. You are enjoying your asylum. Nigeria is hot. You not get house yet. You never rent house yet. Let me tell you, if you want to rent in Allen Avenue, Rose Amen, from your renting till you put chair inside your house and television, my telly is about 2 million now. I bought it 1 point something before. If you want to go into little competition with me, you need more than 15 million to live in your 2-3 bedroom apartment in Ikeja. So you go still ask for more donation, or you wait as they pay the children benefit, you will gather around. You need no less than 15 million to live the way you want to live and show people, say, hey, come see you. You need more than that to live within Allen or Ikeja. At least you have 2 children. Whether they are going with you or not, you will rent for them in future. Let's say you will rent 3-bedroom flat at least, because very soon the girl should have her room. The boy have his room. You will have your own. Good. If you rent and finish, you need chair. When be say if you show people for video, they'll say, wow, it be one look like a Swagalicious own. You need television. You need bed. It should be expensive bed. You can't see my own. I go and buy less. So At the end of the day, make I still leave you for that 15 million. So why you not go Nigeria? You say na me no sign, make you go Nigeria, but you hide there, they beg for money, both for yourself and for organization wey no send you go beg money. Now so you want to survive? Abi you no know say you give account? You jam rock. So I want to thank una. I want help Rose. Thank una. I'm not part of it, but thank you for donating to fraud, to scammer. She asked and you give, but I can assure you, nobody give. Now 1 or 2 person when I no want measure their name, now them will ever give. And if you give, you did not give through her account, you have given to the organization illegally, then we will still take it. And I can still go to Nigeria and tell you that I did not approve that office, so I want that office to close. Before we follow court, follow everything, the same office we close, I will choose the destination and the position we want that office. So if we begin, they argue, they go, government will first of all close the office. Based on say 2 people not agree where the office go there. In case you never know anything. This is not about husband and wife. This is about an NGO. Yes. This is about an NGO. It's not about me. And I want to assure you, if you actually donate, now so my enemy go, they help me, they go. Yes. Because you not donate because of her, you donate that, don't mind that man. If actually you donated, that is my handwork. That is my luck. That is for you to, that is for God to tell me that your enemy will be supporting you. Nobody has ever donated to us when there was no issue. But when there are issues, you think, now maybe your enemy, and you are donating to my organization. I can't tell you thank you, I did not approve it, but you are donating to me. Shameless woman. He said, come and sign for me. Let's go to Nigeria. I will deal with you. Eh? I call the look and say, make them not come say because I no sign, I ain't supposed win. I don't announce sign over a week. Say, I want to sign today. I will buy ticket. I will reach Nigeria. Go and show your power. You that cannot even feed. Your mama, then charge you 100,000, you not feel pay. When your mama, when government destroy your mother market, your sister start to call me. Tell your wife, he's the only one remaining that has not paid. Poor church rat. Since you say you go do burial for your mother, your father, you sell one car you sell. I will do work so I can't carry the motor go give one Ishama before they'll come buy that one. You don't ever sell one car standing there. You feed a feed. You feed. Not before abroad here. After I give you money, you come for here, they call your sister, may send you 200 euro. Before I catch you, I say, for what? You want to spoil my name? If card when I give you, you rough the money finish. Shame and fear not let you tell me, say you use and finish in whatever way, which I don't know. Is that why I should be calling Joy to send you money? And go one catch her because they did not know how to make the money payment. They now need my sweet or whatever code to pay 200 naira to 200 euro to my account. Go, you ask her, I say, madam, I hope you don't want to sell my house for Nigeria. This one they ask me for my details, bank details. You say you want to borrow money. I say, I hope you, before you can say no, in the bed Joy for 200 euro in one user. I say, did you ask me? You are a poor woman. You are a scammer. The evidence are there. You're using human rights account publicly to scam people, which we have over 20 million in our accounts. I don't want to mention many names. I said the hotel when she go sleep a week. 1st of October 2023, stroke 7th of October. The MD of that hotel, the CEO, the MD, gave us money in addition to what we are asking to buy or build house. So we have more than 20 something to 30 million in one account. Probably the Access or Zenith. And every money recovered is 20%. Whether na 80,000 one recover, you still put and say the person will pay. I say how much will come remain. Leave am for them for free. Instead, come put there anything 80 or 100 to 10%. Instead of to leave them, let them go free. Put am for 10%. No case that woman sit and take care of, or even that secretary now when not they show face. No case when that one talk, except na news he cast, when not start from 30,000 naira. So if you can't only from last year, from June when she enter here, not when she dey go office, count cases when you see online, 200,000 dey there, but can't only 30,000. If you can't only 30,000, check why this woman will need money through fraud. I not say can't the one be 100. Now people when you go to the office will come and to say, I pay 100, I pay 200, I pay 400, I pay this. When you see say we recover 2 million, 4 million for people, check out with times 20%. Check out with 20% times how many million you see say we give person because they give them in cash. Ask me and her, what did you do with money? What did you people do with this money? I use my money buy 2 machines. Now my money I take buy motor to Kumbo. Now my money I take buy anything when they that office, from AC to fan, to wall fan, to standing fan that uses water. If you go to that office, you see say one get fan when they put water when will they cold. Steam. And my money not be human right money. I'm not talking about the Office of Human Rights, because we have just one Office of Human Rights in Nigeria and Lagos. This is our own office, a personal office, we are using it. Then the only office we have is the one at Shasha. I'm not talking about the one I equipped in Shasha. When you enter that office, all the televisions there, I bought it. I went there last time, I told the people, forward me the receipt. If fine, I don't know, I be not the okay. Now you have be broke when I can't broke you. Your head not correct. Because this is not about move on. This is, let's call it business. I know say as you mumu, when your life spoil past road, so you not will know the difference between when husband and wife do joint business and when they are talking about love or no love. Because you will never know love, you will never experience love. That's why you can come here and talk. You don't know the difference between business and love. As una dey stupid, many of una now, in the future, after 10 years, now see say, oh, the man they cry, say make the woman come back and make her they talk. Mumu by your head there. So in the many years to come, now many of now see say, shebi is long time. Why are they still dragging themselves? The man no want let go. No. 30 years time. Even my children with her children will be dragging something. Because many companies open together. Even the one let me open, she still went ahead and removed my name for on top and put her name, and we can become the, say we co-open the company as a criminal woman. It's even just now I'm seeing all those certificates. Which I never intended to follow her to know how she's running me. There is no day this woman will come out on human rights that I'm not supposed to come out to counter it or approve it, which I will never approve. So she says, scammer is not her organization. It's our organization. I am the founder. Founder or no founder, organization does not belong to one person. I'm Chama BOT. No matter what, I can't close my eye and let the woman be scamming me. Let's believe she's not scamming you people. As far as that organization is concerned, and I own it, I'm a member, she's scamming me, which at the end of the day, it must result to me giving account of that organization. nobody is donating. If anybody want to donate, now 2 people, I don't want to call their name. But the trick when they use, they can't come outside, tell people, say thank you for donating. No, at the end of the day, nobody donate. We will go withdraw money for account. It's a strategy for people to donate. Common human rights widows, we would learn us for 3 good months. If na December we want do am, November, October, September we don dey shout. Until we will come remember the strategy again. Say, hey, una, thank you, Jennifer Lopez, thank you from UK, Mohamedou, thank you from the north to Nigeria. That day you go see as a person will send it. Hey, can you please send us your account details? Let me give una 1 bag of rice. I think that is how things are being done in Nigeria. That if they don't see who donate, they not go donate. Now when you call one person name, thank you for donating, no, you go see somebody will call. That is the strategy you want to use, whether it is or not. You are renting office for me. You are renting office for me, but I did not approve it. You will pay for it. Now office now that be your problem. Even at the human right now, when you take the sleep around, now just they pay you now, make this thing not spoil, oh, make it not collapse, oh, now take the sleep around, oh. You there where you hide. Now human right now be the case, and be your problem, because we have office in Lagos. No, may not quick shower customers run, no, make I retain them, oh, make you retain them, oh. You never start. You never start, I never start. The place I approve it for you. Where me approve and say may you use human rights, they ask for donation. Where I sign, even though in 10 years' time you will live to defend yourself. In 10 years' time you will live to defend yourself. What did we do with human rights money? I start this human rights 2018, register August 27, 2018. Tell the world, come out from your hiding place. Tell the world, the account details are there. This is what we do with the money. Just mention one thing, which I know you must mention all in the future. I operate this human rights not up to a year when I was doing everything for free. Yes, it's true that we cannot keep on paying for things because people are not helping from the willingly. But since it didn't reach a year, let's say before the December of that 2018 self, we don't already get money like saying a company with the run. So you will come and give breakdown accounts of what we are doing with the money. What we are doing with the money. I repeat, we don't treat case for free. Except I'm in Nigeria and I know about the case. If anybody want to register, one woman that has issue with the husband, and you say you have 3 children, it's not caring for children, it's not caring for the woman. Look at the woman, very dirty and look haggard. Are we supposed to collect money? Why are we taking registration according to my rules? It's like taking from the rich to help the poor. So that when you know this woman's story and the way she's looking, whether it dress or not dress, or you have situation, you must not say dress to come to human rights. It's not looking good, it's not fine. Couple with her story. Use the money we took for people that are okay to, instead of taking money from this one, still give her transport, take go home. That is my rules. Even though it's not a written one, because she no agree put her into our constitution and rules and regulations. That is why I was a bit relaxed with taking registration for certain people. Because I pay driver till driver run from my amount. I gave Tokumba Moto to the organization. Not be say I dash una. They run until the day you left Nigeria, that motor. Since 2017, I brought that motor to Nigeria. I wanted to sell it. I didn't sell it again. Aside that,